Welcome guys to Decor Studio, and this is Alim. I'm going to show you the a wall concept in Revit and a basic how to create a wall. And before I start to use this tool, I need to show you something like I need to show you like some type of wall. What type of wall is it now? So as we know, there is a different types of wall like a load bearing wall or masonry wall. This type of wall we use mostly in a foundation or something to bear the load, and gypsum wall to like make or create a partitions. We have to create a brick wall or reinforcement wall, and there is a different types of also like some insulation wall which is we use in so insulation wall like we have to use this type of walls to constant the temperature of the room or any area. So the insulation wall is a very important things for so I will explain you today how we will use this type of wall and what type of materials they are using to make this wall. So guys, I give something like here like a section of insulation wall. So as this section is clear for you like this, so this is a inside or interior part of this wall, and this is outside of the part. So as you see in this sections, it's very clear like that. This is a brick work and this is a brick work, and there is a plastering or something like that, this layer or like 10 mm or something, and this is a max 50 cm like this is insulation material. We use this material to constant the heat. If there is a temperature outside like too much heat, so inside the people cannot like the inside room will not be heat like that. So if there is any you are using, there is outside of a lot of cold or something like that, so inside the material will not be affected of your outside. So that's the reason we are using in this technologies to create the insulations material. So I will show you guys, there is a different types of insulation material in the market now. So as your pocket allowed, so you can use this type of materials. Like there is some materials which come from that is a mineral, like a mineral insulation. This comes from the natural materials such as a sand, volcano dust or something like that. So this type of material is low cost, but when you install this type of material, you have to use gloves or to protect yourself. So it's harmful, it's create itching on your hand or skin. So when you are going to install this type of materials on your walls, you have to be precautions, maintain the precautions, and use this. And there is a other like there's a synthetic insulation material. This type of insulation material is made by the crude oils. So crude oil, it's a type of synthetic materials. There is a different types of materials in the market. As per your requirement and your pockets allowed, you can use. And there is other like a biosource insulation. It's come from the plants, animals, or like from for example, it's come for hemp insulations, cotton, wool, wood, or like recycled newspaper. As when you are using this insulation materials, guys, you have to be consult with any professional or something, so that they will suggest you which materials insulation material is useful and which is in your budget or something, so that you can choose that type of materials. So this is the different types of insulation material we are using in constructions, guys. And I also show you the some like Google search. You will also make Google search and check a different type of insulation materials. And as you see here section, so today I am going to use this wall to create like this type of insulation material, like 40 or 45 centimeters thick wall with the insulation materials. And also I am using this menu to how to create a different shape of the walls and move and rotation, all those things. So let's start, guys. So first I am in a revit now. So first I have to choose here wall. This is a command you can choose from the here like that, or you can use your keyboard, like type only WA. As you see here, there is a small tip showing like WA. So from the keyboard you just type WA and wall is activated. You have to drag, and as the dimensions you needed you can give the dimensions, or you just create a random. So I click it here, or like I have to create like 34, or like this. This is a wall. So now the wall thickness is it's a basic wall, so the thickness is 200 mm only. So guys, when I make this section of this wall like here to here and go to the section view, and this is just a normal basic wall guys. There is nothing inside, no details, and you have to create the fine details. So there is nothing in this wall. So let me fix with this wall and up to here. So to fix this wall up to here, you have to select this wall and go to the top constraint, and you have to join with level 2. So have you seen this is now it's come, the height is come here. So the next things I have to select the wall and go to properties. In the properties you have seen this is the structures, like the structures thing, construction. So we click on constructions. Now here we can create a different layers of your wall. So as we see here, like in our example there is a different types of layer guys. So there is this is inner layer, this is inner brick, this is outer brick, this is isolation, this is a plaster or gypsum board or something like that inside, and this is like outside bricks or outside plastering or something like that. So as the same concept I'm going to use in this thing. So first our layer is like 20 centimeter. It's a normal wall. So I have to choose here like so guys, first we start like a CMU, like concrete masonry unit. It's come like a block or something like that. I will show you in Google. So as you see, like CMU. So first we are going to create like this type of wall, or this is a unit. This is called it's come in a different side. This is CMU, concrete block unit. So first we will choose here CMU, and we will select here like CMU, this one, and load this one from here, or keep both like this, already loaded before. Okay, and start. So now guys, the CMU is created. So next things we have to make insert here some rows, and we have to choose give isolations like insulations things. So we have to give here like 150 centimeters, and I will choose here like a poly insulation. So we have here the option insulations, and insulation fabric, battles and dam. There is a different type of insulation. So machinery insulations, and this is the plastic insulation. We are using this insulations like plastic naturals. This one is load here, apply. Okay, so now the 150 centimeter of your insulation is come here, and the next things we have to create exterior wall, like brick wall. So guys, now I'm going to create an exterior wall here, like exterior brickwork for exterior. So insert one, and then choose here from here, and type the RICK common brick. So So this is a common brick which we choose here and give the thickness of 100 mm. And this is the exterior brick. This is 150 of your isolation part, and this is your CMU block of interior. And here we have to create one more insert, and I have to make down this one and give here like plastering or something like that. Gypsum board or gypsum. This is a plaster, and put it here, keep correct, apply, and OK. The plaster thickness I will give a terminal. Now guys, you see this is I created like 1 2 3 4 layers total. Like first this is for exterior 100 mm. This is the exterior of your brickwork, and then I place like isolation material. This is a brickwork, and this is the plastering of interior, and we click OK, apply, and OK. So guys, as we see here, we already created all those detail work. Like you check by the dimensions. This is your exterior brickwork 100, and then this is your this one 150, and this is your 200. This is your CMU, and that is your plastering thickness. And guys, this is the isolation material, and we are going to come to the details of this one. So we have to give some annotation or something like that, so that the people can understand the details. So from annotations we will go to the annotations here, and there is there's an insulation. To present the insulation we have to put this type of hatchings here. So when we choose here, it's not coming, so we have to change it like from center to nearest point, and we have to select from here to up to here. So the insulation is created now, so we have to make the little bit the size, so that our size is 150, so we have to place it 140. Okay, and move it a little bit from here, so that insulation. Choose it size, you have to give size 140, and so here we create like insulation. The size is 140 mm and up to here. So this is our insulations, and as you know, and other things we have to show, like if you want to make more details for this one, you have to use the component or something like that, detail component replace or something. There is options for detail components, and you can choose. As you understand, the guys, this is the details of this is a section part of your wall, and the thickness of your wall is total 460 mm. And the other things I have to show you when you are going to like create a wall in a level plan, show you. And when you are selecting the wall, there is some the modify creating options, creating like command is coming. So here when you create a wall, this is the different types of commands. Like this one is you have to create lines. Like if you want to create only lines of wall, like straight lines, or it's created like this. Or if you want to create the shape like in a rectangulars, you can create from here. If you want to create like a shape circulars, you can create like a circulars, and you can give the height how much as you want the height. And here is at 800 mm, you can show your 4000 or like 4 meter or something like that. So if you will go in a 3D view, so it's a different shapes is coming like this. And there are other tools, it's a different shapes, and the most important things I will show you this commands like this one, and this commands are very important. Guys, this is a very important, like if you want to give a shape fillet, like filters, as you AutoCAD, you are using AutoCAD, so you know that what is a fillet and what is a chamfer. This is the same command, and this is a very important command which I need to discuss now. So for this commands, if you are for example, if you import some AutoCAD plan from to Revit, so that like if you have some lines like an annotation, if I will create a line like detail line, something like this is your bedroom, like you create it from AutoCAD and you bring it here, and you want the wall. This is now this is a 2D dimensions line, so there is no any height or something. As you check here, you can make a 3D views. There is nothing is here. So for this one, and I want to create a line like rectangles. So this command is very useful when you select this command and choose any line. So it's create the wall up of this selecting of this line like this. You create this line like this one and this one. So see, it's coming in 3D view. This is the same thing I created now. So other things I have to show you guys here, like in choosing the wall command, there is something will come like this is the dimensions. You will give the dimension of your objects of your plan like this, and this is the measurement you want to measure or something, or here you can give the dimensions as you want. And this is the move command. If you want to select any object and want to move or something, you can move it from here like that. And this is a rotate command. So if you select any objects like this wall you want to select and you want to rotate it, you can just choose it here and rotate it like this. As you see, this is the guideline is showing, so that our wall is rotated like in this 90 degree. And this is the fillet command, which is join two corners. Like here, this corner is not joined up till now, so I'll select this thing, select this wall, and then select this one. Now you see this corner is joined here. This is the extend, trim and extend command. If you want to extend any line, for example, you have a wall here and you want to extend this wall up to here, you can choose this one and make extend, select this one and then select this one like this. So this is extend now, and this is the multiple extend things, and this is for delete. If you want to delete anything, you select here and delete. And this is the copy command. If you want to copy any objects, like this objects you want, for example like this, you want to copy it, you just select this one and copy. As you show here in the small menu bar, you have showing this is a copy multiple, or you want to copy only single. If you click only this one, this is create only one. If you want to copy multiple instance like the same, you just click here and choose multiple, and you can copy 1, 2, and if you want to give numbers here, you can give numbers. I want to copy like 1, like 6. So as you understand, this is the copy command is using how to use the copy command, and this is the offset as we use in a AutoCAD. Like you want to offset this wall similar like in a left or like right side, so you can just click it here, and its dimension is offset dimension is showing here. You can place the dimensions like you want to give option 5000 meter, 500 mm, 5000 mm means 5 meter. So this like this, it is created left or right as you want. This is a parallel dimension. And other command is like a mirror command. So you want to mirror something like you want to mirror this wall from, choose this one and reference point from this one, and this one, and this mirror. This is the wall, same wall is mirrored here. And guys, there is a 3 others small commands which is very useful when you are design. Like if you want to split something or break the line or something, for example this is the wall and you want to break it, so you select this one split command and you will split from here to here. So now this wall is divided into 3 parts, 1, 2, and this is 3, 1, 2 and 3. You can, is already there is one wall, so you can split it like this. For example, you want to split it here, or you want to give a gap between the split or something, you can use this command like this, split, split, split. So this, and there is other very important command is array. If you want to create multiple objects, for example, you have this wall or something like that, you have this wall and you want to make a multiple object of this wall. For example, you have this object and you want to create a multiple object of here, so you choose this one, array, and you select this object, and here it's showing the number of instance you want. You have to give instance like 10 you want, and you choose what the dimensions you want, like 1300. As you see guys, this is showing is 10. If you want to increase, you can increase 10 to 12, enter. So guys, it's creating the same objects in a multiple instance. So, and you play with some other things which is useful. I covered mostly command here which is useful for your designing part, so you can use and play other commands so that you could know the good Revit. And if any doubt or something, you can leave a comment or text me or something like that on my WhatsApp. I will clear your doubt. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we will see you the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.